If you're looking to liven up and add more detail to your pictures, that's easy to do with my Edge collection. My Edge collection is very easy to install. All you have to do is get my Edge collection. It's in one file, action file, and you load it in from the menu, and you click on Load Actions, and you select the action that you extracted from the zip file that I provided. Once it's installed, you'll see all these edge collections in your actions folder. You get 23 different edges. Using Photoshop and creating these effects manually can take hours, but all it takes is one click of a mouse button. Just select your edge and click play and continue, and you're on your way, and it's done in seconds. Creating these actions is quick and simple, and it does all kinds of different designs, and it spices up your images. Click play and then continue, and the actions go to work. Look at all the different things that you can do with this.